Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, yesterday I spoke about how you can use gold as a form of hedge for your investment portfolio. So, today I'm going to talk about three very popular ways to add gold to your investment portfolio. Now, obviously, there's a difference between the two. One is in the previous video yesterday, I spoke about hedging, so using gold to hedge. But here I'm going to talk about how you can use gold to invest and make it a part of your investment portfolio. So that's the big difference here. So before I talk about it, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please comment on my video so that I know exactly what you are looking for. And based on that, I could do my research and then bring forth relevant content, video content to you on YouTube. And also, please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my videos. So let's start. So the first things first. As you know, I do have an ebook which is on my journey as an entrepreneur. The book is titled Six Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. In this book, I've spoken about the time back in 2010 when I quit my six-figure globetrotting job, corporate job, and how I went about becoming an entrepreneur. What were the challenges that I faced and how I overcame those challenges. So I put all of that in this particular book so that this book really encourages you, puts some amount of drive in you to become an entrepreneur. So to facilitate that, I have also put down three worksheets in this book. The worksheets are based on how you could map your mind to be a successful entrepreneur, and you could score yourself to see where you stand. So the cool thing is I've scored myself based on my mindset back in 2010. You will find in this ebook how much I've scored and how successful I have been. Today I have two companies, one in Singapore, one in India, and representations in the US market. So, so that's been my success. Um, the book is available on my website. The URL is currently flashing on the screen. I'll put the URL in the description box below. Click on it. And then on that page, you put down your name and email address, and the link to download the book will be emailed to your inbox after you submit those fields to me. I hope you like the the ebook, and do comment on it so that I'm looking for more feedback on the ebook. Now let's dive in. First things, the first popular way to invest in gold is by investing in physical gold, pure physical gold. So one of the most preferred options is gold bullion coins, such as the South African Kruger Rand. So they call it the Kruger Rand. So Rand is the South African currency, or the American Gold Eagle. Gold bars are another popular options, and they come in a variety of sizes. Hence, this category of products can accommodate a range of investors. So you would find them in the Middle East, and if you go to Dubai, you'll find gold bars. So that's all you have to do is to look for the correct or the right kind of gold that you buy. But you do keep in mind that large sizes of gold bars may be more difficult to sell in some instances because of the value of that quantity of gold. Investors making ongoing or significant investments in gold bars may therefore want to consider purchasing gold in various weights. I know it could be more difficult to carry them around, or even in putting them in the bank lockers or wherever you want to store them. But I feel it may be wise to buy gold in smaller sizes. If you are looking to purchase physical gold as a hedge in your portfolio, it can be done through government mints, private mints, precious metal dealers, and even jewelry stores. So you can actually hedge the gold that you have for for any other asset in these places. The second way is to invest in gold exchange traded funds, so gold ETFs. Gold ETFs trade like stocks, usual stocks. I'm sure you know about ETFs. So gold ETFs trade like stocks on an exchange and offer exposure to different aspects of the gold market. Some ETFs focus solely on physical gold bullion, while others focus on gold futures contract. So you could do gold futures contract as well. Still others focus on the gold mining market itself or follow live prices for gold. Note that investors who own gold ETFs do not really own any physical gold. So you must bear that in mind. You are not owning any physical gold at all. So it's different from owning physical gold. Also, gold ETFs that track physical gold generally cannot be redeemed for tangible gold. Keep all these points in mind. Gold ETFs are a good option for getting exposure to the precious metal without personally trading physical gold or gold future or gold stocks. So keep all these points in mind. When you're investing in ETFs, gold ETFs. Now, the third point, the third popular way is to invest in gold futures. So what are futures? A future contract is an agreement to buy or sell gold on a date in the future for price determined when the contract is initiated. So which means at the time of selling or buying, the price may have gone up or may have gone down. So that is the risk or sometimes could be gain for you because the contract the price of gold was initiated was fixed at the time of initiation of the contract. So keep that in mind. So that's futures contract. In this particular case, it's futures contract for gold. In gold futures, the metal is not actually exchanged and settlements are made in cash. So at the cash is the price of gold at that initiated time the contract was signed on. Sometimes in gold futures market, you can purchase physical gold, but please note, obtaining gold through the futures market requires a large investment and involves a list of additional costs. So please do bear in mind. Also, this process can be so complicated, cumbersome, and lengthy that it is considered best for highly experienced market participants or investors to go for gold futures. So you must keep these points in mind. If you are a futures trader or investor, then you are looking to invest in gold futures. So it's, I think, a great opportunity. And in yesterday's video, I've spoken about how the prices of gold are negatively aligned to the economy or even the dollar price, the US dollar price or currency market. So I will put the link to that video on the card above. Go take a look at it. I think if you watch that video and then you watch this video, it would make a lot of sense for you. So to summarize, so there are these three key popular ways to invest in gold. One is, of course, futures gold, physical gold. The other is, of course, gold ETFs. And the third is gold futures. Now, most conservative investors would go for the first option, which is physical gold. And there are a lot of reasons why you do that. So the moment the gold prices are down, to go ahead and buy gold and gold bars or coins. But if you are, a seasoned investor, trader, you've been investing in the let's say the stock market, then you or even the futures market, then you can explore these options because you would be familiar with ETFs and futures. So you can potentially explore these options. So that's it, guys. So thank you very much. As you know, my name is Saurabh Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. I will put down my LinkedIn URL in the description box below. Please click on it and connect with me on LinkedIn. I regularly work with companies to explore and find solutions to their business, marketing, technological, and even financial or investment challenges. If you are looking to engaging me as your consultant, please drop me a line on LinkedIn. And you could message me on LinkedIn, or you could drop me a line on the contact page of my website. The URL will be in the description box below. And we can connect with each other and get into a conference call to see how we could work together. So finally, before I go, one last request. Please like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. And please comment on my videos and share my videos with your friends and colleagues who you think would benefit from my research and from my videos. So until my next video, please stay safe and stay healthy. Take care. Bye-bye.